Hi! Today, I'm going to give you a demo of how I use Snapseed to edit watch pictures for Instagram. Snapseed is free, which is great for amateur photographers like me. I'm not an expert, but I wanted to share with you my method. Let's start with cropping the image to portrait. Since Instagram is viewed on mobile, having it on portrait grabs more attention. Next, I use the healing tool to fix the inconsistencies in the background fabric. It doesn't fix all of it, but will fix it later on. Then I use Tune Image to adjust the brightness, contrast, and warmth. There's no right combination, just adjust according to what feels like it looks right to you. Next, I use the Vignette tool to darken the edges so there's more focus on the subject. Now that the edges are darker, I can use the Healing tool again to remove the areas where the fabric shines. I still can't seem to fix that upper left corner though. I use the Vignette tool again to make it a bit darker. Next, I use the brush tool, select exposure to deal with that upper left corner. It's still not perfect, so I try it again with the Healing tool. Then, I go back to the Vignette tool and position it such that the outer darker part focuses only on that upper left corner. Since the whole background looks messy now and I want the focus to be solely on the watch, I use the Lens Blur tool. And since I just want the background to be blurred and not the fingers, I edit that particular layer only to affect the green background areas. Once it's all satisfactory, save the image. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.